In this video, I'm going to be solving 3 SAT geometry questions about angles of a triangle. So let's get started with the first question. In the figure above, what is the sum of the degree measures of all of the angles marked? So as you see, we have 4 marked angles. We are going to be finding the sum of these angles. In order to solve this question, we are going to be needing 2 informations. So the first one, a complete angle is always 360 degrees. And the second one, the sum of interior angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. Alright, so let's start solving the question. Let's say that the measure of this angle is x, the measure of this angle, let's say y, so it is z, and let's say it is t. So the measures of the interior angles of these triangles, let's say this is A, let's say this is B, and C. So let's say this is E and E, and let's say the measure of this angle is F. So the question here is x plus y plus z plus t is equal to the question mark. Alright, so we know that a complete angle measures 360 degrees. So x plus a is equal to 360 degrees. And y plus b plus e is equal to 360 degrees. Y plus b plus e is equal to 360 degrees. And then z plus f is equal to 360 degrees. And t plus b plus c is equal to 360 degrees. So t plus b plus c is equal to 360 degrees. So we also know that the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So a plus b plus c is 180 degrees. A plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. And d plus e plus f is also d plus e plus f is also 180 degrees. So if we add these side by side, so we will get a plus b plus c plus d plus e plus f is equal to 180 plus 180, which is 360 degrees. And if we add these side by side, we are going to get x plus y plus z plus t plus a plus b plus e plus f plus c plus d. So let me write that down. X plus y plus z plus t plus. So let me write this in order. A, B, C, D, E, F. A plus B plus C plus D plus B plus E plus F is equal to, so we have 4 360s, 4 times 360. So 4 times 360 is equal to 1440 degrees. So this is going to be 1440 degrees. So as we found before, a plus b plus c plus d plus e plus f is equal to 360. So this part right over here is going to be 360 degrees. So finally, what we are looking for is x plus y plus z plus t. So x plus y plus z plus t is going to be equal to 1440 minus 360. 1440 minus 360, that's gonna be 1080 degrees. So this is our answer. X plus y plus z plus t, or the sum of these all marked angles x plus y plus z plus t is equal to 1080 degrees. Okay, so let's do the second problem. In the figure above, what is y in terms of x? So this theorem is going to help us to solve this problem. Exterior angle theorem. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So as you see, we have an exterior angle here, and we have two remote interior angles. So in this case, a plus b is always equal to d. So in this question, we are going to be finding y in terms of x. Okay, so let's look at this triangle right over here, triangle ABC. So this angle is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. So the measure of this angle is going to be the sum of the two remote interior angles. So x plus 2x, x plus 2x is 3x. So the measure of this angle is 3x. And this angle right over here is an exterior angle of this triangle. So 3y is going to be the sum of two remote interior angles. So 3y is going to be equal to remote interior angles, 3x and y. So 3y is equal to 3x plus y. So if we take this plus y to the left, so 3y minus y is going to be equal to 3x. 3y minus y is equal to 3x. That means 2y is equal to 3x. If we divide both sides by 2, so y is going to be equal to 3 over 2x. So y in terms of x is going to be equal to 3 over 2x. Or we can also say y equals 3x over 2. Alright, so let's look at the last question. So as you see, we have this triangle SRT, and this is an angle bisector. This is also an angle bisector. So in this triangle right over here, we have angle A, angle B, and 140. So the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So A plus B plus 140 is equal to 180 degrees. So if we take this 140 to the right, A plus B is equal to 180 minus 140. So A plus B is equal to 40 degrees. So in this SRT, the triangle SRT, we have 2A right over here, and we have 2B right over here, and then we have X. So the sum of 2A and 2B and X is gonna be equal to 180 degrees. So in this part, if we take 2 out, because 2 is a common factor, 2 times A plus B plus X is equal to 180 degrees. So as we found before, A plus B is equal to 40. So 2 times 40 plus X is equal to 180 degrees. So 2 times 40 is equal to 80. 80 degrees plus X is equal to 180 degrees. So X is equal to 100 degrees is our answer.